Howdy. So I am out tonight. It is June 6th. Got a beanie on because it's still cold up here in Cripple Creek, Colorado. Actually, I'm kind of in between Cripple Creek and Victor on Highway 67. And a pretty nice view out here. Anyway, just came out here because it's nice and quiet, and I thought I could show you my bike real quick. So we're just going to take a quick video. I'm not going through all the specs and stuff, but maybe I'll go through the little menus on the instrument panel, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, enough of me. Let's turn it around and look at the bike. So again, this is a 2023 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic. Yeah, there we go. So black pipes, chrome tips, detachable windshield, 114 cubic inch motor, which makes it like 1280 something cc's. That's a nice little chrome down here. Chrome spokes, classic fender. Super bright high beam, super bright headlights, LEDs, and nothing too fancy about this part. Got the 114 over there, half moon foot pedals here, and they come up just in case you lean too far. Locking saddlebags. I got plenty of room in there. Well, some room. Concerned about my camera, but I'll find a place to put it. Down here, supposedly somewhere down here. Oh, there it is. Got a USB charging port right there, so if I have to charge my phone, I could. Anyway, so I'm just getting out, putting some miles on it. Breaking it in takes about 1,000 miles, they say. And for the first 500 miles, you're supposed to fluctuate your driving speed. So go 30, then go 60, go 50, 40, you know, just switch it up. So it kind of breaks in the engine evenly, and you're not wearing things out oddly or something. I don't know. So here is the dash here. Use this button here, cycle through the menus. So that tells you how many miles I've got on the bike itself. Full tank of gas. Trip B. Oh, maybe that's trip A and trip B. The clock. RPMs. So, hang on a second. Alright, so we started it up so you can hear it. But you can see the RPMs. Anyway, what else is on here? So many miles I got on the bike. That's trip A. Trip B. That's how many miles I've got left on this tank. And the time. So it's almost 8 o'clock. Anyway, so there she is. That's my bike, and time to go for a ride. Also, if you like that, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next video.